Welcome to our channel. First of all, we welcome to our new subscribers and thanks for liking our videos. If you are new on our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for our new and latest videos. Today we will solve MCQs of zoology for different competitive exams. Insects are characterized by three pairs of legs. Body is metamerically segmented in Annelida. Which of the following arthropods are totally aquatic? There is no group which is totally aquatic, so none of these. Dorsal tubular nerve cord is characteristics of all the chordates. Opposable thumbs are characteristic features of primates. Differences in the scales of fishes and reptiles lies in their being epidermal and dry. Which of the following has oxygenated blood? The pulmonary veins have oxygenated blood. The scapula is bone of pectoral girdle. All the digestives are formed in vertebrates by endoderm only. Ammonia is chief excretory product in fishes. Now, these are the terms which you will solve as these are true or false. The first one is coelom is lined by ectodermal epithelium. This is false because these are endodermal epithelium. Non-chordates are dissected from dorsal side. This is true. All snakes are poisonous. No, this is false. Mouth in sharks is located on anterior side. Yes, this is true. Frogs have 3 cervical vertebrae. This is false because frogs have only 1 cervical vertebrae because they have very restricted movement. Contractile vacuole in protozoa is basically an excretory organ. Yes, this is true. Nerve cord in chordates is endodermal in origin. This is false because nerve cord in chordate is ectodermal in origin. Whale is the largest mammal living in sea. This is true. Both male and female mosquitoes bite and carry parasite. This is false because only female mosquito bites carry parasite. The gametes are produced in coelentrates. This is false. Now MCQs part 2. Life originated during Precambrian period and pancreas secrete which of the pepsin, hormone, enzyme or both A and B. All these options are false because pancreas secrete hormones and enzymes. It means the B and C option is right. Louis Pasteur is known for germ theory of disease. Life originated in water. Viruses are, the options are unicellular, acellular, multicellular or free living. All these options are false because viruses are particles. Wings of insects and bats are example of analogous organs. Archaeopteryx is a kinetic link between reptiles and birds. Lamarck's theory of evolution is based upon effect of environment, use and disuse of body parts, inheritance of acquired characters. All these options are valid to evolutionary theory of Lamarck. Absorption of digested food occurs mainly in small intestine. A renal portal system is found in frogs. Tengoreceptors respond to touch. Third ventricle is found in brain of rabbit. The blood from glomerulus returned by efferent renal arterioles. Vital morphological and physiological units of mammalian kidneys are uriniferous tubules. Uriniferous tubules. And which of the following secrete oxytocin? Oxytocin is secreted by pituitary gland. Longest cells in the mammals are nerve cells. Functions of the centromere is to provide site for cell division. Which of the following has extranuclear DNA? The mitochondria has extranuclear DNA. Who gave laws of segregation and dominance? Mendel gave the laws of segregation and dominance. Adrenal glands are found in close association with which organ? Testes, spleen, liver, or ovaries? All these options are wrong because adrenal glands have close association with kidneys. The right option is kidneys. Now MCQs part 3. The mode of nutrition in amoeba is holozoic. The coelom in Platyhelminthes is pseudocoelom. Excretory organ in earthworms are nephridia. Foot is used an organ of locomotion in which of the following animals? The correct option is freshwater mussel. Which group of animals out of the following is diploblastic? The coelenterata are diploblastic. Which of the following has maximum of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood in the ventricle of its heart? The frog. The correct option is frog. Reptiles are oviparous. The urea formation in mammals take place in liver. The vertebrates in which placenta is formed during the development of fetus are mammals. Lymph most closely resemble with plasma. Now, zoology MCQs part 4. Many humans become ill by consuming milk products because they lack lactase. Which of the following process caused substance to move across membrane without expenditure of cellular energy? This is the process of diffusion. Respiratory pigments present in the muscles is called myoglobin. Which of one of the following is not a viral disease? Tetanus is not a viral disease. Animals obtain carbohydrates mainly from starch. Mesosomes are internal extensions of cell membrane. Sugar in each nucleotide of DNA is deoxyglucose. And species is the basic unit of genetics, zoology, ecology, or universe. All these options are wrong because species is the basic unit of classification. Here HAV is false about AIDS. Here is no statement which is true for plastid. Here cell membrane is not found in all bacterial cells. Viron used for virus. Paleontology is the study of fossils and their relationship to the evolution. Please subscribe for our new latest videos. Thanks for watching.